Hello, my name is Arham and I'm in grade 11 right now studying computer science and I go to GEMS International School. I think the Mr. Blaine's presentations and the wealth of experience that he has brought to the table has been super informative and engaging, and just talking to him and trying to learn from him as much as I can has been truly life-changing. Before the workshop, I was hesitant to use AI. I mean, I knew it was there. There was ChatGPT. I used it for essays and stuff, but I didn't know the true impact that it can have on your work. But after this workshop, Mr. Blaine has taught me so many tools that I can use. And honestly, after this, I see myself being 10, 20 times more productive in my work. So yeah, it has really opened my perspective. Firstly, always be open to new ideas and learning. Next, always try to improve yourself and upskill yourself with the changing landscape. Then for the third one, talk to people, communicate with people. Teamwork is super important. Number four, always make new projects. I think learning the theory behind it is always good, but if you can't actually apply that, all of that would go to waste. And finally, just have fun while you're doing it.